गोवा फॉरवर्डान मेंबरशीप ड्रायव्ह सुरू केल्या. आदलो आमदार विक्टर फेर्नांडीस आणि फेरल फुर्तादो मेंबरशीप ड्रायव्हांतले पयले 2 मेंबर. गोंयांत नोकऱ्यो मेळना म्हूण पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट करून भायर वतल्यांक विजयान तेंको दिलो.
We welcome them and we will continue this drive until the anniversary of the opinion poll. गोंयांत जे भशेन नोकऱ्यो आमी लोकांक दिवंक जाय आशिल्ल्यो, जे भशेन फॅसिलिटी गोंयकारांक दिवंक जाय आशिल्ल्यो, ह्यो सगळ्यो दिवपाक आमी means we have not been able to give them this. And if a person feels that he has got better prospects abroad and he has got the facility of this Portuguese passport, which is only for Goa, then I think it is his democratic right to choose. Now Farrell decides that to send her son, and Farrell retains her passport here. So her son goes. Now her son has a lot of difficulty to go abroad, let us presume. Is she not there here? As a voter, I have to think about her also. And I also have to think about her son who wants to go there and perhaps become somebody so big that he comes here as a foreign direct investment here or a foreign institutional investor for the sake of Goa. No? We have to look at Goinkar marato. So khoyi Goinkar asu to Goinkar. So those who oppose this Portuguese passport, I am not making a stand. I am not giving you any issue on that. That's all.
GMCत गोंया भायल्यांक वेगळे लायनीचे विजयान समर्थन केले.
आणि जे नॅशनल स्टँडर्ड्स आहा ते आमी मेंटेन करपाचे. वी डोंट हॅव टू बी टू मच हॉस्पिटेबल. कित्याक चड हॉस्पिटेबल जावन गोंयकारांची स्थिती आज जी गोंयांत पावल्या ती अशी पाविल्ली आहा. आमची हॉस्पिटलां आमच्या लोकां खातीर केल्लीं आहा. सरकार ताजेर भरमसाट पयशे मोडटा आनी गोंयची डोमिसायल आनी गोंयचो वोटर हो गोंयचो नागरीक आहा ताका ह्यो फॅसिलिटी पयलीं मेळूंक जाय. म्हणून आमकां दिसता की जे हेल्थ मंत्री मिनिस्टरान केलां ताका तेंको दिवपाची गरज आहा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.